Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. Today we are going to discuss on the chapter Circle for class 6. Please watch video and do like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start with circle. A circle is a closed curve. And in geometrical definition, a circle is a simple closed curve consisting of all points in a plane. This O is the center of circle. Now we are going to learn the terms associated with a circle. Now first term is radius. A line segment joining any point on the circle to its center is called the radius of circle. So here it is circle, is center of circle. O is the center of circle and O is the radius of circle. Now next term is chord. A line segment whose end point lie on a circle is called a chord. Now it is a circle, is center of circle. Here this O is a center of circle and line segment AB is a chord and line segment EOF is a chord. An infinite number of chord can be drawn in a circle. Next term is diameter of circle. A chord of a circle passing through its center is called diameter of circle. A diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Now it is circle, the center of circle. Here O is the center of circle, AB is the diameter of circle. Infinite number of diameter may be drawn. Diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Here OA is the radius and AB is diameter. Radius is a half of diameter. Next term is secant. Line which intersect the circle at two distinct points is a secant. Now here this is circle, the center of circle. Now here secant XY is intersect circle at point A and B. Next term is tangent. A line which touches a circle at one point only is called a tangent. Now this is circle. This is center of the circle. And here this PTQ is a tangent at the point T. A point at which a tangent touches the circle is called the point of contact. So here T is the point of contact. The next term is arc. Any part of circle is called arc. The arc is denoted by symbol this. Now this is circle, this is center of circle. Now this is called the arc of circle. Here this point is A, this C and B. This portion is called as a minor arc and remaining this portion is a major arc of a circle. An arc less than one half of a whole circle is called minor arc and arc greater than one half of the circle is called as a major arc. So here ACB is a minor arc and ADB is a major arc. So it is written as ACB is a minor arc and ADB is a major arc. Next term is semicircle. One half of the whole arc of circle is called a semicircle. Now this is circle, the center of circle, diameter of circle. Diameter divide the circle in two parts. This is called semicircle. Next term is circumference. The whole arc of a circle is called its circumference. So it is circle. The length of the circumference of a circle gives its perimeter. Next is angle subtended by an arc. The angle formed by two radii at the end of an arc of the circle at the center of the circle is called as the angle suspended by the arc. Now this is circle, the center of circle, radius of circle, this is the other radius of circle. This angle made by two radius are called as a angle subtended by an arc. Next term is segment of a circle. A chord of a circle divides its circular region into two parts, each part called as segment. It is circle, the center of the circle, and this is chord. And this chord divides the circle into two segments. This segment is called as the minor segment, and this segment is called as a major segment. Next term is sector of a circle. The part of circular region bounded by an arc and two radii at the end of the arc together with the arc and the radii is called the sector of the circle. Now this is circle, the center of circle, this is radius, this other radius. This portion is called as a sector. Now this is minor sector and this portion is called major sector. Next term is quadrant. If the two radii are at the right angle to each other, then the sector is called the quadrant of the circle. It is circle, this center of the circle, this is radius, this is other radius. If the angle formed by two radii is, then it is said to be the quadrant of the circle. Now we will solve some example related circle. If the radius of circle is 5 cm, then its diameter is dash. Radius of circle is given 5 cm. Diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Radius is 5 cm. Then 2 into 5 is 10 cm. Then diameter will be 10 cm. Next question is, if the diameter of circle is 8.5 cm, then its radius is dash. Radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. Diameter is 8.5. 8.5 divided by 2 is equal to 4.25 cm. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video.